Hey there, ad enthusiasts! Today I'm diving deep into one of the most iconic commercials of the 1970s, Calgon's Ancient Chinese Secret. Alright, picture this. A woman walks into a Chinese laundry and asks the owner how he gets clothes so impeccably clean. The owner, with a knowing smile, says Ancient Chinese Secret. But here's the twist. The secret isn't some mystical ancient technique, it's Calgon detergent. Boom! Instant classic. Back in the 70s, this ad was a masterclass in blending mystery, humor, and a dash of exoticism. With just one line, Ancient Chinese Secret, Calgon turned a simple detergent ad into a cultural moment. People loved it. It was catchy, memorable, and gave Calgon a reputation for delivering superior softness and unbeatable results. But let's rewind and look a bit closer. The 70s were a time when households were battling hard water and dingy whites. Enter Calgon, the weapon in every laundry room arsenal. No wonder this ad resonated so well. It played right into the everyday struggles of so many families. Now, it's important to point out that while the ad was clever and effective at the time, it wouldn't fly today. The portrayal of the Chinese laundry owner and the phrase Ancient Chinese Secret could be seen as perpetuating stereotypes. Ads today strive for inclusivity and sensitivity, reflecting the diverse and global society we live in. But let's not forget the impact it had. For many, this ad is a nostalgic reminder of when TV commercials were an event, something you'd discuss with friends the next day. It was simple, effective, and left a lasting impression. So what can modern ad creators learn from this? First, a strong, simple message can be incredibly powerful. Second, humor and a bit of mystery can make a product memorable. And finally, be mindful of the cultural context and strive for inclusivity. That's the fascinating story behind Calgon's Ancient Chinese Secret ad. If you enjoyed this dive into advertising history, smash that like button, subscribe to emgotvmedia for more stories, and drop a comment on what classic ad you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching.